According to this report, almost 2 billion people are using AI as of 2025, and that is about 20% of humanity. So what this means is that people are no longer typing keywords in Google. Instead, they're asking ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and whatever AI model that they're using. And you know that AI doesn't invent answers. Instead, it's getting its results from different sources in the internet. This can be YouTube, Wikipedia, Reddit, Google index blogs, and so on. So how this generative AI works is that they are using labeled or structured data. So they are getting data from a particular domain of interest, maybe from the medical field or whatever field, depending on what the user is searching on. But this doesn't mean that you need to start creating content for robots, or you need to start using complicated language or stuffing keywords to make sure that the AI index your content. No, that's not what I'm talking about here. What this means is that you need to answer a clear question, then need to explain it in a step-by-step process, because when people are going to AI, they're not going there for entertainment, they are going there for educational purpose. So they are searching, how can I do this, how can I do that, or this is what I'm facing, what do you think is the best way forward? So they are going there for educational purposes. And if you can structure your content well, like explain things in a step-by-step process, then it's going to help the algorithm reference your content. So you can structure your content so it's easy to understand and easy to quote by this AI. And you need to understand that AI prefers clarity over cleverness. So you might want to be clever with your title, trying to get people to click your content, but that doesn't work for AI because it understands the whole thing that you're saying in the video or in your content. So it's not all about trying to be clever. Instead, it's about clarity. So the way you present your content, the way you write it, the way you structure it is going to determine if the AI model is going to reference it or not. And one way you can get this AI model to reference your content is creating video content, especially on YouTube. The reason being that this AI model are able to read video transcripts. So currently the new YouTube algorithm is using Gemini. Before now, if you wanted to get maybe an information from a video, you had to watch the whole video. But right now you can just use their inbuilt Gemini to summarize the video or get a particular point out of a video. So you can just ask question about the video you are watching without you having to watch the video till the end. So you can see that the paradigm has shifted from watch time and everything to AI. So people just want to get answers quickly. So YouTube is going to be a very good start if you want these AI models to reference your content. Reason being that YouTube is one of the biggest search and information library on the internet, and it's absolutely free. So because YouTube is a very reliable and highly rated platform, these AI models rely on the video transcripts from a YouTube video. But the question now in your head is going to be, how can I create a content that is AI friendly? And all you have to do is that you need to think in a way people ask these AI models. So how do you personally use AI? What are the type of questions that you're asking? Then you're going to reverse engineer that to whatever content you're creating and whatever niche you're into. So how do people in my niche ask this AI model for results? Then you're going to create a video content answering that question. So the idea here is that you should try to answer one question in a video. And when you're explaining, you need to explain like you're teaching a smart beginner. And the future of content isn't going to be the people that has the loudest voice, but it's going to be the people that are most referenced by these AI models. Because everything now is shifting towards AI. If you're not creating content that favors these AI models, then you're going to become invisible. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. And if this video was helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.